Number 5. Number 1. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Attempt. No good. Rebound by number 6. Steal by number 5. Number 5. Umatake. No good. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 27. Foul. Jersey number 6. Second personal foul. First team foul. 4 minutes 59 seconds.
Dahil nga, nakaputik de. Dahil mo naputik de. Dahil putik de. Sige na. Wala.
Substitution ulit. Sige, log na lang.
Pagbuka din sila siyempre.
Technical. Technical po ang ano? Technical po ang bench kang one piece. One free throw.
Maligayang bola.
Same ball po kita yo, same ball. Bola kang one piece gagay pag nag-free throw. One shot lang, one shot. No good. Bola kang one piece. Steal by number 8. Pass to number 6. Attempt. 2 points. Easy basket. Steal by number 6. May gusto number 6 na niya. Technical. Jersey number 27.